Two winter startless giants go head-to-head. The Michelin X-Ice Snow, launched in 2020, takes on the Pirelli Ice Zero Asimmetrico, introduced in 2023. Michelin's proven expertise faces off against Pirelli's fresh innovation in this battle of startless winter tyres. Who comes out on top? Let's find out. We will compare key metrics, ice, snow, wet and dry, using Canadian Tire's road-rated test data, with the performance metrics shown in percentages, and the Michelin X-Ice Snow as the 100% benchmark. Starting with ice performance, the Michelin X-Ice Snow takes the lead, stopping 8% shorter in specialized indoor tests. This advantage means enhanced safety and confidence on icy roads. The Pirelli Ice Zero Asimmetrico, while competent, falls slightly behind. On snow-packed roads, the Michelin X-Ice Snow again edges ahead, with 1% better acceleration, traction and braking. A minor lead, but every bit counts in challenging winter conditions. The Ice Zero Asimmetrico remains close, but can't quite match Michelin's grip. In wet conditions, it's a different story. The Pirelli Ice Zero Asimmetrico excels with 12% better hydroplaning resistance, braking and handling. If wet road stability is a priority, Pirelli has the edge here. On dry asphalt, the Pirelli Ice Zero Asimmetrico pulls ahead again, delivering 3% improved braking and handling. The X-Ice Snow remains solid, but Pirelli offers a touch more responsiveness. When it comes to comfort, it's a tie. Both tyres deliver similar levels of ride quality and cabin noise, making it a pleasant drive no matter the surface. In terms of rolling resistance, there's also no clear winner. Both tyres offer the same level of efficiency, ensuring optimal fuel economy and EV range. So what's the verdict? The Michelin X-Ice Snow dominates in ice and snow performance, making it the go-to choice for harsh winter conditions. On the other hand, the Pirelli Ice Zero Asimmetrico shines in wet and dry, offering better all-round performance for wearing conditions.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.